Let's be direct. Your legs are the first part of your body to betray you in old age. Their weakness is not just a sign of getting older. It is a clear and present danger to your independence. This isn't a slow decline, it's a dangerous domino effect. Leg weakness leads to instability. Instability leads to falls. And a serious fall can be the end of the life you know. But this is not a life sentence. You can fight back. You can rebuild. The battle for your independence is fought, in large part, on your plate. Welcome to Wise Senior Spot, where we build power from the inside out. Before I reveal the 4 critical foods that form your nutritional arsenal, you must subscribe and activate the notification bell. This is foundational knowledge for a strong future. Now, comment below. Have you personally noticed a change in your leg strength or stability? Let's arm you for the fight. 1. Salmon, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Your first line of defense is salmon. You may wonder what fish has to do with leg strength. The answer is everything. As you age, 2 enemies attack your legs: muscle breakdown and inflammation. Salmon is a weapon against both. It is densely packed with high-quality protein, which provides the essential building blocks to repair and maintain muscle mass. More importantly, it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Think of omega-3s as a fire department for your joints. They extinguish the inflammatory fire that causes stiffness and pain, allowing your muscles to recover and function properly. If you are not a fan of salmon, other fatty fish like mackerel or sardines offer the same potent benefits. 2. Greek yogurt, the muscle and bone fortifier. One of the biggest strategic errors in aging is neglecting protein and calcium. Greek yogurt is your solution. It is a concentrated source of easily digestible protein, which is non-negotiable for preventing sarcopenia, the age-related death of muscle. Strong muscles require strong bones to anchor them. Greek yogurt is also fortified with calcium and often vitamin D, the duo responsible for maintaining bone density. Weak bones don't just break, they shatter your confidence and mobility. A daily serving of Greek yogurt is a direct investment in the structural integrity of your lower body, making your legs both powerful and resilient against fractures. 3. Spinach, the circulation supercharger. Do your legs ever feel heavy, leaden, or prone to cramping? That is often a sign of poor circulation. Your muscles are suffocating, starved of the oxygen and nutrients they need to perform. Spinach is a circulation supercharger. It is loaded with nitrates, magnesium, and potassium. Nitrates help relax and widen your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. This increased blood flow delivers a vital payload of oxygen directly to your leg muscles, reducing fatigue, preventing cramps, and keeping them feeling light and energized. Don't underestimate this. Improved circulation is the difference between legs that feel heavy and legs that feel powerful. 4. Eggs, the complete rebuilding fuel. If there is one ultimate, accessible, and affordable fuel for rebuilding your legs, it is the egg. Eggs contain one of the most complete and bioavailable forms of protein known to man, providing every essential amino acid your muscles crave for repair and growth. But their power doesn't stop there. Eggs are also a source of choline and vitamin B12. These nutrients are critical for nerve function. Strong muscles are useless if the nerves controlling them are slow or faulty. Healthy nerves ensure your legs are responsive, your reflexes are sharp, and your balance is precise, directly reducing your risk of a catastrophic fall. Eating eggs is not just feeding your muscles, it's fortifying your entire neuromuscular system. The path forward is clear. Leg weakness is not an inevitable part of aging you must passively accept. It is a condition that can be fought and reversed with the right fuel. Remember your arsenal. Salmon to extinguish inflammation. Greek yogurt to fortify muscles and bones. Spinach to supercharge circulation. And eggs to rebuild muscle and sharpen nerve function. Your strength, your stability, and your independence are on your plate. You have control. Start today by incorporating these powerful foods into your diet consistently. Now, it is time for a commitment. Which of these 4 foods will you add to your meals this week? Declare your intention in the comments below. Your commitment is a powerful motivator for yourself and for everyone in this community. If this video has armed you with a new strategy, show your support with a like and ensure you are subscribed to Wise Senior Spot. Thank you for watching. Now go and fuel your strength.